Hey everybody, we back. It's Mama Dawn in the house. This week we're gonna do my favorite green beans, or as my grandmama used to say, string beans. So sometimes if I go between string beans, green beans, it's the same thing, y'all. So what I have today is I have fresh green beans. You can do it with canned green beans, but if you do it with canned green beans, I suggest you rinse off the green, like pour off the liquid, then rinse off the green beans, you know, because you get that nasty flavor from that liquid in there, and then you can use it. But here I just got green beans, which I already started cutting, and all I'm doing is cutting off the ends on both sides and put them in my colander strainer. That's my dog, y'all. And I'm just gonna rinse them off. Maxine, shh. So, and also it's gonna have onions in it, because you know I love my onions, and of course bacon. This ain't my favorite bacon, but my favorite bacon comes from Sam's Club in that 2-pack, but I can't remember the name of it. And since my membership card expired and I haven't repaid it yet, I couldn't go to Sam's Club, y'all. So I had to go to Walmart and get farmland, but farmland didn't work. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, you guys, and cut the onions and cut up the bacon, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, now I got everything cut up. Here I have water boiling. I have salt in it. So you season the green beans. When it starts boiling, I will add my green beans in here to blanch them. I don't want to cook them until they're shrivel up. I just want them to be where they're not so hard, just tender. And then what I'm going to do now is I got my oil. This is probably about 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use olive oil if you want. I just use canola oil or vegetable oil. And I cut up my onions and bacon, as you can tell. So I'm just going to put in here and let it cook. So, and fry up. So, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, we're back. See, my water's starting to boil here. I'm about to add my green beans. As you can see, Ariana, did you get this, baby girl? Mm-hmm. Okay, the bacon and onions are looking fabulous. It's smelling amazing, guys. And just ignore this part. I'm doing rice because I'm making Greek chicken today. And my husband does not like green beans. I know, y'all. There's something wrong with him. But, so we got rice for him. Anyway, so we're going to add these green beans. Sorry, honey. I love you, y'all. I love my husband, but he's a weird one because he doesn't like vegetables, because according to him, vegetables is of the devil, so he won't eat vegetables. Anywho, so I'm just going to keep stirring this up while this is here blanching. Remember, we just want them enough. Okay, you see how they look now? So I can show you what they'll look when I want. See, this is a bright green. So I'll show you when I get them to where I want. Probably about a couple of minutes, all it takes. Really depends. But I'll be right back with you. Okay, you guys, the green beans are where I like them. It took about almost 10 minutes to see how they are. They're still sort of firm, but not firm. And sorry, Ariana, you get that, girlfriend? Mm-hmm. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, come over here to the thing. I'm gonna shock them cold, so I'm gonna use cold water to stop the cooking process because I don't want them to cook anymore. Okay? So that's what I'm doing here. Stopping the cooking process on these here, because what I'm going to do right now, because the bacon and onions is still on my stovetop cooking, or rubber not cooking, just keeping them warm. Okay. Yeah, and this is why I use a strainer. You guys are so easy just to do it over soon. So now what I'm going to do is bring it over here, add my green beans. Sorry. You want to turn your heat down to medium, like I just did. So what I'm doing here is sort of like sauteing this stuff, so to get all the flavor from the onions and the bacon. I didn't add any oil or nothing. This is just from the bacon and the onion frying, because the bacon made its own little oil or whatever. So you see how that is? Then what I do is, you can add whatever seasoning you want, what you like. I like, oh crap, my thing's coming out. Sorry. I like pepper and a little bit of garlic powder. You can use garlic sauce, y'all, if you don't have it. We're a pepper fan here. Let me go now. Then here, sometimes it depends on my mood. I would either use regular table salt or seasoned salt, depending on what I'm trying to get here. Probably today I'm feeling more seasonal You know, you can use Lowry's. I use Lowry's too. I think this is just what I have right now. And just cut it. I mean, quick to just stir it up. And technically it's done because the green beans are already cooked. And so the bacon and stuff. So this is what yours should look like. And I'll plate it and be right back. And you guys, this is the finished meal. This is my green beans, of course rice, and then my Greek chicken. Well, you guys, you have a blessed week. And until next week, come on back to Mama Dawn's.